Yeah, so it's Joe from iKegger, and I'm going to be demonstrating how to do a Kegerator kit. And these are all the components that you'll need. So you need 2 kegs with the spears, and then you've got a mini regulator and a dual gauge gas disconnect, 2 taps with 2 tap shanks, and then 2 liquid lines with liquid disconnects to connect them to, and of course a gas source. So first of all, we are going to draw the lines on the marks on the esky where we're going to drill through and attach the tap shanks. So you kind of want them to be evenly centered. So just take a tape measure and measure about, on this esky we'll do about 10 centimeters on each side. Can't see them, but I've got 2 little marks here, and that's where I'm going to drill through and attach the tap shanks. So you need a 22mm drill bit on there so that it fits the tap shanks. And yeah, now you can just drill through. So next you just need to line the tap so that it's straight on, and then you twist this collar here and that will fully tighten the tap. So, and on this tap tool here you can see there's a small notch, and you just use that in the rings to fully tighten it up. That is taps attached. And then next, in this esky here, we can just fit 2 of the 2-litre kegs in. So that's 12 beers. So I pop those in. And then we take these parts here and we attach them to the back of the tap shank. Just that, tighten it up. And then you get the duo type 5/8 fit in. Twist that on, tap shank done, connections for the tap, then goes the tap shank to the liquid post. The liquid post is the centre post on the spear. So this can just push it into the duo tight, so push in, fit in. Okay, so push it in, and then pull the collar up on the liquid disconnect, and just push down to connect. This here is the dual gas connection, and this part here is going to screw in here. And then each of these gas disconnects can clip onto the gas posts. So we'll take one, clip it on this one, and then we'll move our lines, take this one, clip it on here. Gas bulb inserted, you can go ahead and just turn up the pressure. Once you've got these flow controls taps attached, you can just turn it up to about 5 psi to pour. It's fine, so then you can just pop the regulator back in there somewhere discreet. Then we're being sensible and having water, but hopefully for you guys it'd be a beer. And that's it. Cheers.